Okay, good morning everyone. Tapos na po ba mag-check sa pinagawa pong gawain kahapon? Okay, so be honest in checking them if you are find out bakit po ikaw ay hindi. Okay, so good morning. This lesson is on dividing mixed numbers. Okay, so to divide, first is you have to transform mixed numbers into fractions. Then do the keep, change, flip. Number 3, proceed to multiplication and simplify the needed, or you have to reduce your answer to lowest term. Okay. For example, we have 2/5 divided by 1 and 1/2. We can solve this problem using an illustration or a drawing. Okay, as you can see here, I have 7 strips, and each strip has been divided into 1/5. So, if you are going to show 6 and 2/5, ilang 1/5 po lahat? Very good. So, there are 32 na 1/5. So, mula po dyan hanggang dito po sa line na yan, that is 32 na 1/5. Okay? So, from 0 going to that point is 6 and 2/5. Okay. In order for us to show how many 1 and 2/5 are there in 6 and 2/5, we're going to divide it by 1 and 2/5. So, ilang 1/5 meron sa 1 and 2/5? Very good. There are 7 1/5. So, bilang ka ng 7. Okay? So, ayan po, that is equal to 1 and 2/5. So, meron ka ng isa na 1 and 2/5. Another, bilang ka ulit ng 7 1/5. So, hanggang saan po? Okay, hanggang dyan po sa line na yan, the black line, which is equal also to 1 and 2/5. Pang ilang 1 and 2/5 na po? Okay, pangalawa. Then, bilang ka pa ulit ng 7 1/5. So, meron kang hanggang dyan sa red line, that is also 1 and 2/5. At pangatlo na 1 and 2/5. Another is, we will count again, 7 na 1/5. So, hanggang dyan sa line na yan, so that is equal to 1 and 2/5, and that is pang 4 na 1 and 2/5. Kasya pa ba? Makakahanap pa ba ng 1 and 2/5 hanggang sa blue line na to na makapahal? Hindi na po. So we have remaining 4 na 1/5. So therefore, we can say that 6 and 2/5 divided by 1 and 2/5 is equal to, meron kang 4, and may natitirang 4/5. Okay? So the answer is 6 and 2/5 divided by 1 and 2/5 is equal to 4 and 4/5. Okay po? So are you ready? Let's have another example. Tumigil. Let's have another example. We have 4 and 1/2 divided by 1 and 1/2. Sabi natin, first is to transform mixed numbers into improper fractions. Okay, so ang 4 and 1/2 divided by 1/2, 4 and 1/2 will become 9 halves, and 1 and 1/2 will become 3 halves. Okay, number 2, do the keep, change, flip strategy, wherein 9 halves divided by 3 halves, 9 halves will be kept, then the division sign will be changed, and then 3 halves will be flipped into 2/3. Okay po? Number 3 step is to proceed to multiplication. We will multiply 9 halves times 2/3. So let us multiply 9 times 2, and in the denominators, let us multiply 2 times 3, in which that is equal to 18/6. And number 4, simplify the answer or reduce your answer to lowest term. So we have 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. Okay po? Nakukuha po ba? Okay. So then, let's do the next. Okay, so here's what you're going to do now. You have number 1, 3 and 3/4 divided by 1 and 1/4. And then number 2, you have 2 and 2/3 divided by 1 and 1/3. Kung hindi po nakuha kung papaano gagawin ito, balikan po yung una pong slide at para po malaman kung papaano po. Okay? And on the next slide, you also have there numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, babalikan po natin ito bukas para po sa pagsasagot ng inyo po, o i-check po natin yung inyo pong mga sagot regarding po dito sa ipinagagawa. Okay po? Okay, thank you so much. Bye-bye.